Rest in boundless loving kindness, radiating warmth to all beings everywhere. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you always catch our new meditations. Welcome back, dear LuSHiners. You've walked a beautiful journey through the stages of loving kindness, beginning with kindness for yourself, extending to loved ones, to those neutral figures in daily life, and even to those who are difficult. Today, in stage 6, we rest in the natural vastness of loving kindness, a love without boundaries, radiating in all directions. This is not something we manufacture or force. It's the natural flowering of the seeds you've been tending all along. Let's begin. Find your comfortable position, seated or lying down. Allow your spine to lengthen, your shoulders to soften. Rest your hands naturally. If it feels right, gently close your eyes. Take 3 deep, steady breaths, inhaling fully, exhaling slowly. Inhale again, filling chest and belly. Exhale, releasing tension. One more breath in, and a long, gentle breath out. Softly scan through your body. Soften the forehead. Relax the eyes. Unclench the jaw. Release the shoulders. Let the chest and belly open. Soften the hips, the legs, the feet. As the body relaxes, the heart naturally widens. As always, begin with yourself. Bring one hand to your heart. Feel the rhythm there. Silently repeat, "May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease." Feel this kindness as a golden light filling your body. Now, let this light extend outward. First to those you love most. Then to neutral people in your life. even to those who are difficult. See them all bathed in the same warm, golden light. No distinctions. No separation. Repeat silently. May all beings be safe. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings live with ease. Now, dissolve even the sense of sending loving kindness. Simply rest in it. Imagine your heart as the rising sun. Its light radiates in every direction: east, west, north, and south. Across oceans, across mountains, across cities and forests. Touching every living being without limit. Silently repeat, may all beings everywhere, may all beings everywhere, known and unknown, known and unknown, near and far, near and far, be safe, be safe, be happy, be happy, be healthy, be healthy, be at ease, be at ease. No effort, just resting in boundless warmth. For a few moments, simply be here, breathing in kindness, breathing out kindness. No boundaries, no divisions, only a field of loving awareness. Now, gently allow this vastness to return to your own heart. Like the tide flowing back into the sea. Place a hand on your chest once more. Feel the steady beat. Know that this loving kindness is always within you. Never lost. Always available. Take a deep breath in. And a long, gentle breath out. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. You've completed stage 6, the flowering of loving kindness into boundlessness. But remember, this isn't about reaching a finish line. Some days you may rest in boundless compassion. Other days, you may return to earlier stages, offering kindness just to yourself or to a loved one. Each stage is valuable. Each one is complete in itself. So revisit the practices as you need them. Let them meet you where you are. If this meditation nourished you, give it a like so more people can discover it. Subscribe so you don't miss future journeys. And if someone you know could use more peace and compassion, share this with them as an offering of kindness. You are part of a growing circle of LuSHiners radiating love into the world. And with every practice, you strengthen that light.